Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a lobster tail. Preparing lobster tails at home is easier than you think and yields impressive results. First, ensure your lobster tails are fully thawed. Overnight in the fridge is ideal. Next, grab some kitchen shears and carefully cut down the center of the top shell from the base to the tail fan. Then, gently pull the raw lobster meat up and out, resting it on top of the shell. This butterfly cut makes for even cooking and a stunning dish. Now let's cook those beautiful tails. Baking is a popular method. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the prepared tails on a baking sheet and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the meat is opaque and firm. Alternatively, you can boil them for 5 to 8 minutes. For a smoky flavor, grill them shell side down for 8 to 10 minutes, basting with melted butter. The key is not to overcook them, keeping the meat tender. Once cooked, your lobster tails are ready for their finishing touches. A simple brush of melted butter, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a sprinkle of chopped parsley will elevate the flavors beautifully. Serve them immediately to enjoy the warm, tender meat. Lobster pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides, from fluffy rice to crisp asparagus. Remember, the internal temperature should reach 140 degrees Fahrenheit for safe consumption. Enjoy this luxurious meal you've prepared yourself. To recap, making lobster tails at home involves thawing, carefully cutting and butterflying the shell, then cooking them to perfection using your chosen method, whether baking, boiling, or grilling. Always aim for opaque, tender meat. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your kitchen experience. With these simple steps, you can enjoy a gourmet lobster meal right in your own home, impressing family and friends with your culinary skills. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.